Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your theme style using preset settings, helping you create a smooth and visually engaging shopping experience for your customers. All right, let's dive in. Accessing theme styles. To access the Change Theme Style settings, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Theme Settings. Then, scroll down to where you'll find the theme styles. Click on it to open the list of available preset styles. You'll find a variety of professionally designed preset styles to choose from, including Venom Scents, Create, Fungies, Purple, Elvu, Snoozy, Scandinavian Biolabs, Bionic, Primal Herbs, Space Goods, Krave Beauty, Plant People, Verb Energy, and Love Wellness. Each preset is carefully crafted to give your store a clean, modern, and professional look, just like a fully designed real website. For example, select the Fungies style. Once selected, your theme customization will automatically update to display the selected preset design. Then, click on the Change Style button to confirm your changes. And that's it! Your theme style preset is now successfully applied and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify.